What's going on, everyone? This is Jack the Stampede here. This is my first ever YouTube video, so I apologize in advance for the terrible editing. I'm also going to try and do the audio in one shot, so there's going to be quiet moments, etc. As you can see, we're just a base wizard with base gear for now. We are going to be adding the +2 orb at some point. But the will is at base 25, which means the magic damage is at 25, and base magic bonus is at 30%. When we do add the +2, it doesn't change the magic power because that's based off of your will, not any plus damage items you might have. So let's get into the game. Starting off with Zap because we wanted to know what magic damage meant. It really is based off the 25 base magic damage with the 28 because of the 30% damage bonus. The fireball, when you hit directly, also does splash damage. I'm not sure if this happens to players as well, or if it's just because they're target dummies. But if it does happen to players, that means even with base magic resist, it's doing more than 50 damage per hit. The first hit here is hard to see. It's on the limb. It does 7 damage and 14 physical. And if I hit him in the head, it does 10 and 21. So you can see that the magic damage from Ignite does change based on where you hit the dummy. I got really lucky and spawned right in front this time. And just to show why I can use the dummy, I'm on an East Asian server and the latency is absolutely terrible. But same, there's limb damage, headshot damage, and body damage. They're all different. And so is the magic damage from Ignite, which I thought was incredibly interesting. It does 4 burn damage. Because of the latency, I couldn't really confirm if it's always 4 no matter where you hit on the body. Something tells me that it's just always going to be the same burn damage. As you can see, the burn damage on Zap and Ignite are both increased to 4 with the +2 damage and the 30% magic bonus damage. Unfortunately, Fireball doesn't get the full damage on the burn. You can see it gets the full damage on the initial hit, but it only does 2 damage on the burn instead of 4 like the others have. I was also curious about the other spells, so Ice Bolt does the same thing as Zap. It does the base magic damage plus the bonus damage, so the 30%. However, Ice Bolt does do headshot damage since it doesn't have any kind of burn damage. Both the lightning spells do 50 damage. That's what they do. They probably do more with the orb. I didn't get any footage of that, but I'm sure it would be the +3, 2 from the orb, 1 from the extra bonus damage. And then Magic Missile, we all know about by now. It gets the damage from the plus bonus damage plus 30%, and headshots do more. That's it.